Hi, I'm Avnish. I'm working as Oracle DBA at a reputable organization. Let me introduce you myself real quick. I did my graduation from art stream, and since childhood I was very keen towards technology. And while growing up, I became familiar with programming, and I was very good at it. But I made some bad decisions after my high school, and I had a gap of about 3 years. And after that, I went for graduation in art stream, and I could see that I won't get any job after this, and that was to some extent wrong until I went to SHA Infotech. Since I was very familiar with technology, I wanted to get a job in IT, and because of my educational stream, that was not possible at that time. But then I came to SHA Infotech and I talked to these guys, and they were like, yes, you can get a job in IT, but you need to work real hard. At a very young age, I was familiar with programming, and then I got familiar with databases. I worked on few databases for some of my projects, but after going through the course at SHA Infotech, I realized that I had barely scratched the surface. There is so much to explore. This Oracle database technology, it's so vast and it's very beautiful. If you study it and if you get the right mentors, you could do wonders. I enrolled for the core DBA course at SHA Infotech, and the course program was so rigorous that after completing it midway, I felt confidence, and I was like, I can now do this. The faculty is at SHA Infotech is highly efficient, and especially Upendra sir. They trained me in such a way that after completing the course, I didn't had a bit of inferiority complex because of my education stream, and I was confident enough to sit in interview with guys who were like BTech, and some of them were even experienced, and that is because the live projects and exposure you get at SH Infotech. Mr. Upendra, he has worked in many reputable organizations, and he is such an experienced guy that even if you're fresher and you're learning from him, you will be as good as experienced guy for about 2 years. You can get that, and you can compete with them. After completing the course, I was made to I was I went through a lot of training, or you can say dummy interview sessions, in which these guys would throw me questions every time, something that I wouldn't even heard about it. And after completing that, I was prepared for any questions to be interviewed at. And then this live project, these guys have some synthetic servers and workload scenarios in which you can face most of the challenges that you'll be facing in first few years of your career. So you won't be helpless or clueless after getting the job. When you see the real environment, you won't be intimidated because you have already seen it there. These guys have planned in such a way that you will be seeing almost real-time servers, and you will be facing real-time problems. So that is a great help. Once my entire program was completed at Tech, I went for interviews, and I sat for like 2 or 3 interviews, and the few were very skeptical about my graduation background, and but anyways they interviewed me. But after clearing the technical session, after having the technical session with them, they were really surprised that how can a guy who is not even from a science background or IT background have such a knowledge. And that gave me a bit superiority over other guys who might be educationally well qualified over me, but I was more technical sound. So I got my job at a reputable organization as Oracle DBA. And I would like to thank the faculty at SHA Infotech and Upendra sir especially, because they really helped me shape my career and get in the industry. Thank you.